I'm going to show you 5 functions in Excel that is exactly the same as it is in SQL. First, we'll look at an example using the left function. This starts at the leftmost side and then takes as many characters as we specify. We can drag and drop this all the way down and we see that we get the first 2 characters. The right is exactly the same as the left, but you start at the rightmost side instead of the leftmost side. And mid allows us to take characters that are in the middle. So we are going to start at position 3 and take the next 3 characters. An example of concat allows us to combine different columns together. In Google Sheets, the formula is concatenate, but in Excel it's concat. Let's look at this in Google BigQuery. So here you see I have the same data as before. I'm going to start with my left function, and the format is exactly the same. Select the column name, how many characters you want to keep. Same thing with the right. The substring is the version of mid in Excel, and it's just SUBSTR. And then the last one we'll do is concat. And again, the format is exactly the same as it is in Excel. So if you know these 5 functions in Excel, then you also know them in SQL.